Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Time FK7. My name is Chris and I make videos on this 2021 Honda Civic Sport Hatch. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified every time I do post a video on the channel, because I do post every Saturdays and Tuesdays. Now with that being said, today's video is going to be wrapping the hood of this 2021 Honda Civic Sport Hatch. Let's go. So the wrap that I chose for today is this gloss black from Vivid. The size of this is 5x8, so we're gonna have a little extra wrap left so that we can wrap other parts of the car if you choose to do so. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're obviously gonna be cleaning up your hood. So you're gonna be washing it with soap and water, and then you're gonna be clay barring the hood, as well as putting isopropyl alcohol on it to get rid of all the wax and other contaminants that's left over the hood, because you really want a clean hood when you're applying this wrap. So the tools you'll be needing is, of course, your heat gun, a cutting tool so that we can cut the wrap, and then you have your squeegees. These are equipped with a microfiber cloth at the end. That way you're not going to be scratching up your wrap. And you can buy these separately on Amazon. It's like a wrap kit that you can purchase separately, which I'll also be linking in down in the description if you're interested. So this is actually my first time wrapping my hood of the car, and normally this should only take about 45 minutes to complete, depending on what kind of experience you have. And the good thing about wrapping your own car is if you don't like it, you can always peel it off. So by the end of this video, if I don't like the results, I'll just peel it right off, or I could just leave it on the way it is if I'd like it. Or if I want to try a different wrap, at least I'll have the experience, or at least you'll have the experience to do it yourself again. That way the next time you do it, it's gonna be a lot easier to do. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. It's, you know, it looks good from far away, but if you really come close and like look at the car, since, you know, this is my first time wrapping a car, you're gonna see some bubbles. There's not a lot, but there's some. See, there's a bunch of wrap left behind, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off any excess. So what we did was wrap the wrap under the hood. That way it's not gonna potentially peel off as you're driving. So I'm gonna be cutting any extra wrap, so you're gonna leave about this much underneath the hood. So go. Alright guys, so this is a close-up of the wrap. As you can see, like I said, it's not perfect, but from far away it looks amazing. And one thing that you need to watch out for is right here on the top. You see how there's like a nozzle right there? You gotta make sure that the wrap is like not covering this nozzle, or even that nozzle over there for your windshield fluid, because if the wrap is covering it, then you're not going to be able to clean your windshield, obviously. But this is the final result. It's a little dirty from the pollen, but this is the part that I was talking about where I severely messed up, but you can barely notice it. And of course we got this part wrapped as well. So this video is not a tutorial, only because this is my first time wrapping, but now that I have a sense of how to wrap the car, I can teach you guys on the next video when I wrap the hood up there. Excuse the wind, it's very windy here. On the next wrapping video, I'll make a tutorial on how to wrap the roof. But for the hood, I just did like a little time-lapse kind of thing, only because I want to show you guys what this car looks like with a wrapped hood, and it looks absolutely amazing. At first I wasn't a fan, but right now I really like it, honestly. But yeah, along with this lip right here, it really adds to the look of the car. Pas de soleil,